Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 2870, minimum number of operations to make array empty. So it is tagged as a medium difficulty problem, but it's rather an easy problem. So first we're going to look into the problem statement, then we'll check out the approach which we're going to use, and at the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that we'll get a zero indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. There are two types of operations that we can apply on the array any number of times. Okay, choose two elements with equal values, delete them from the array. Choose three elements with equal values and delete them from the array. Return the minimum number of operations required to make the array empty, or -1 if it's not possible. So basically we have to remove the elements from the array, but we can either remove two or three elements at a time with equal values. Okay, so how we can solve this? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply use a counter approach to tackle this problem. So while solving this problem, I made this observation that when we had a single occurrence of any element, we will return -1, because obviously, like, you cannot remove this element with the rule that is mentioned in the question. When we'll have two elements of same value, we can remove those in one operation. When we have three occurrence of same value, we can remove that in one. When we'll have four, it will be two operations, because 2 plus 2, right? So on and so forth. So if you see over here, it is nothing but, like, if you'll divide 4 by 3 and take the ceiling of it, we are getting the number of operations required. For example, 4 by 3 will be 1 point something, 1.66 something. Okay, and when you take the ceiling of it, it will become 2, right? So this was a solution. Let's take random 7 by 3 ceiling. So 7 by 3 will be 2.6 something, and when you do the ceiling of it, you'll get 3. So 3 was the answer in it. So this is the exact approach and the formula which we're going to use. So first what we'll do, we'll calculate the number of occurrences of each element, and after that we will simply check, simply iterate that hash map in which we'll be storing the number of occurrences. And for any number, if number of occurrences is 1, we will upfront return -1. Otherwise what we'll do, we'll keep a variable called answer, and we'll keep on adding the ceiling, like the ceil division of n by 3. Okay, so let's check out the code. Yeah, here's it. So what we're doing in the code is, we have prepared a counter. So in this counter, I'm basically, it's just a dictionary in which I'll be storing the number of occurrences of each element. So what we are doing, we are iterating nums array which we have received, and counting the number of occurrences of each element in it. Okay, once done, I have declared another variable answer, and after that what we'll do, we will iterate the counter hash which we have prepared with the number of occurrences. If any of the value is 1, we don't have to process anything further, we will just simply return -1. Okay, otherwise what we are doing, as discussed, we are taking the ceil of n by 3, okay, and adding that in the answer, and at the end we are just returning the answer. Let's check out the test cases if the solution is able to clear the test cases or not. Yeah, so as you can see, the test cases got cleared. Let's submit it for further evaluation now. And the solution got accepted, and also, like, we have performed fairly well. We have outperformed 94.55% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks a ton guys for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.